Now, no end to oxygen crisis in the national capital as oxygen concentrators await customs clearance. Prominent Delhi hospitals are appealing to the government now to fix this oxygen crunch at the earliest. This comes amid speculations of 3,000 concentrators stuck due to no clearance by the customs department. The High Court yesterday asked the centre to appraise the court about the number of oxygen concentrators pending with the customs department. The Central Customs Department, meanwhile, has clarified that there is no stock of concentrators lying there. The crisis remains right at a time when the centre's Oxygen Express carrying 205 metric tons of the life-saving gas is set to arrive to the national capital today. Delhi needs oxygen supply of 976 metric tons daily, but they're getting now 590 metric tons, 100 more than 480 that they were getting earlier. Anisha Mathur joining us, more details on that. Anisha, what is the ground reality? Are those oxygen concentrators still stuck at the customs or has it been cleared?
Well, Nabila, there seems to be a lot of confusion about what exactly is the deal with those oxygen concentrators. While the Customs Department has said that they do not have any stocks left, we are also getting indications from the government that there seem to be certain coordination troubles between the ministries and the departments which are supposed to receive the supplies that are coming from abroad, and the Customs Department which is supposed to clear anything that lands in Delhi. There also seem to be indications that distribution of these concentrators could also be what is causing confusion. At the moment, what we do know is that Max Hospital yesterday did get delivery of one oxygen generating plant that would in fact help them to generate what they need. Several countries have sent in supplies to India. We've gotten supplies from the EU, from the UK, from the US, from Singapore, from several other countries which have offered help. The Navy has been roped in to bring in supplies from Singapore and from the Middle East, where countries have offered support. So work at the moment, a lot of things are being done, but what it seems to be on the ground is nothing is reaching the hospitals or the state governments themselves. We've gotten reports from various places that while supplies have been promised, nothing has actually reached. So by today afternoon, it should be a little clearer where exactly those concentrators actually are, because the centre is saying that we are working on it, but what is being worked on is something that we still need clarity on. Back to you.
This is absolutely embarrassing at a time like this when the national capital urgently needs these oxygen supplies. Here we're looking at red tapeism blocking the supply chain at the moment.